with elimination, we either add or subtract two equations from each other, and this is the simplest form. So if we were to add these two together, we don't flip the signs, we just simply add like terms together. So 9x's plus 2x's is 11x's, and then minus 2y's plus another minus 2y's, right? So if they're both negative, then we're getting even more negative. So this would be minus 4y and 5. And again, adding two negatives just gives you more negatives, 75, 76, 77, so minus 87. Nothing's been eliminated. We still have both terms, so now we'll try subtracting. With subtracting, you flip all the signs, but only on one of the equations. So I did that on the bottom one. You could have done the top. It doesn't matter. Either way, 9x's minus 2x's is 7x's. And then minus 2y's plus 2y's is a grand total of 0y's. So those y's have eliminated. And then 75, negative 75 plus 12, or in other words, 12 minus 75. So that's going to equal 63, and it's negative. Since y's have eliminated, I can now solve 7x. I can solve this for x by simply dividing both sides by x's coefficient of 7. So divide by 7, divide by 7, x equals 63 divided by 7 is 9. So negative 63 divided by 7 is negative 9. Now that we have x, I can substitute to solve for y. So I'll take that first equation that I didn't change, 9x minus 2y equals minus 75. And then I'm going to plug in x's value of negative 9. Now I can solve for y. So 9 times negative 9 is negative 81 minus 2y. And then I can subtract negative 81, or in other words, add 81 to both sides. Then I have minus 2y equals 81 minus 75, 6. So if minus 2y equals 6, divide both sides by the negative 2, y equals negative 3. So the answer, as an ordered pair, my y value is negative 3, and then the x value was negative 9. So sometimes it'll just ask you, what are you doing? Are you adding to eliminate, or are you subtracting to eliminate, and then which variable gets eliminated? Other times it doesn't give you it's not asking which one to do, it wants you to actually solve. So my two equations are 3x minus 3y equals 18, and 3x minus 8y equals negative 2. In a situation like this, if you see two values that are exactly the same, you know those are what's going to eliminate. However, right now, it will not eliminate. So I'll leave the first one the same, 3x minus 3y is 18. And then that second one, the 3x minus 8y, this one I'm going to flip the signs on all of the terms. So positive 3x becomes negative, negative 8y becomes positive, and then negative 2 becomes positive 2 as well. Now, this, when I add it together, or in other words, when I subtract, the x's will eliminate. Let's go blue. So the x's are going to eliminate, and then 8, 7, 6, 5. So 5y equals 20. And if 5y equals 20, then I can divide both sides by y's coefficient 5, then y is equal to, not 5, lies, 4. Now that I know y is equal to 4, I'm going to take the top equation, the one I did not change, it's 3x minus 3y equals 18, and then I'm substituting y with 4, and now I can solve. So 3x minus 12 equals 18, so I can add 12 to both sides. 3x equals 18, 19, 20, 30. So x equals, if I divide both sides by 3, 10. So my answer, x is 10 and y is 4. This is 10 and y is 4. And there we go.